Hello, welcome to Kwater IEV English Village. What will we learn today?
First, sign in and say hello.
Hello! What's your name? Sissy, what's your temperature? Tony, what do you want? Good job.
Let's have a look at classroom 4. We're having a craft class.
What's your name? Brown! We are having fun learning English together.
Okay. What number are you?
1 Jenny? 2 Jenny? I'm Jenny. Oh, Jenny!
Ready, how many? 2!
How much is it? $5, please. Thank you.
Let's buy some jellies at our special jelly market. I love jelly.
How are you today?
I stop because now.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Do you like jelly?
Yes, I do.
What do you
It's
want?
time for cooking class.
What will we do next?
Everyone, wash your hands. Aprons on. Let's cook together.
Hello, Charlotte teacher. Hello, Charlotte teacher. Banana. What are we making today?
We're making macaron faces.
It's yellow. Very good. It's yellow. It's yellow. Red. Pink. 4, 5.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, Lila. Alrighty, once you're done, you say Ooh, Lila, you're not done? Decorate the macarons. I made an excited face. Lila, you're making an angry cat?
Yes.
I feel scared.
I'm scared.
See you next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Oh, good job. And number 11.
The next number we have is number
4.
4.
I don't know what 7 times.
7, 14, 21.
What a fun day at Kwater IEV English Village.
See you next time. Let's ride the bus together.
We hope to see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm Alex, teacher. At our school, we have amazing cooking classes and friendly teachers.
Hello, my name is Luna, teacher. When we learn English, we can make friends all over the world. So let's learn English and let's make friends together.
Hello, my name is Jenny's teacher. We have many fun classes. Come and have fun with us.
Hello, my name is Tom. Our school is a place where you can learn English in a fun and relaxed environment. Come and join us.
Hello, my name is Charlotte. Our school is a fun and relaxed place to learn English, so we hope to see you soon.
Thank you!